Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here again with another vehicle for our May 24th, 2023 vehicle auction. Here we have a 2012 Ford F550 XLT. This is a super cab. And yes, it doesn't have the emblems on the side down here. Everybody asks about it that's been wandering by our yard. But yes, it is. It does have a power stroke in it. So that would be the 6.7, I believe. So I'll just do a little walk around. So I've measured from the back of the cab to the end of the frame. Comes in at just under 13 feet. Michelin 225 70R 19.5s on the back. Tread pattern there looks a little different, so there's Continentals on the inside there, so a little bit different, but consignor reported that the vehicle actually still has 2 years remaining on a new transmission. That's a factory Ford warranty replacement. Let me see what else. PTO is still attached. That's really about it. This one starts and runs, drives really nice. About 3, I'll give you the kilometers here shortly. So being an XLT, she's got a few options: power windows, air conditioning, tilt. It's got the super cab style, so seating for 6. Back seat's a little tight, obviously, but you know, I drive an F550 and I don't mind sitting back there. Mind you, I'm the driver, so I tell people that, but I never sit back there. So seats, of course, fold. Some staining on the seats. Driver's seat has a little tear in it. More staining up here. Center console. You know, those always get dirty. People putting their arms on them. So, a few marks on the dash. Got storage up here. So I don't know what wheelbase this would be classified as, but I would assume that's you know, that's, I mean, that's pretty big. I'll just paste it here where we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, about 21 feet, the wheelbase, I guess. 21 feet. So lots of pictures online. Of course, you know, if you've been to our website or participated in our auctions, we upload probably, you know, between 50 and 75 pictures for every single vehicle. I'll climb in now and give you a cold start. And the reason I say it's a cold start is I've literally driven the vehicle from right over there to right here this morning for these pictures. So in on the driver's side, steering wheel's a little bit rough. You can see there's the tear. Floor looks pretty good. Like I said, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, cruise control, tilt, steering. So I'll just oops, I gotta close that door or else. So I have 301,555 kilometers, ultra low sulfur diesel fuel. So I'll wait for a little bit of a warm up. Okay, and then I'll just go through. It says my key active, drive safely. Jesus, 20 degrees Celsius outside. Didn't think it was that warm today. Oops, I'll go setup. I'll hit reset there. Engine oil life okay, exhaust fluid under half full, engine hours 5,739, idle hours 1,391, brake system okay, no trailer, fuel level okay, my key distance 301,375, one my key programmed, one admin key programmed, reset for system check. There you go. So nice clean truck, actually. Be great to put a camper body on the back, or maybe a flat deck. I'll pop out now and let you listen to the motor. So you can okay, I can't lift this by myself with one hand, so I'm just gonna put you guys down. So this is selling to the highest bidder, May 24th, 2023. We are All City Auctioneers. We're located in Langley, British Columbia. The highest bid wins. I mean, if this was me, I'd be putting a camper body right here on the back. Nice, you know, 14-foot camper body, custom made, somebody would probably put a flat deck on it, maybe a little crane. Great deck truck. Like I said, PTO is supposed to be still installed. There you go. You don't see these come up for auction very often. So highest bid wins, May 24th, 2023. Hope you get another buy-by auction.